Hi guys, in this video I am going to demonstrate you about Python indentation. So there are some key points that you have to remember that indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, and whereas in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability only, but in case of Python the indentation is very important because Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code, and if you don't use that indentation, Python will give you an error. So let's look an example. So here there are two lines of code, and if I uncomment that print, this will not give me an error because that is a single line of code. So if I uncomment that above if condition, now this is a block of code. So I need an indentation to tell Python that this line belongs to that block of code. So you can put actually one space, that's enough. But in general, Python uses a four space indentation. So if I go there and press enter, you will get four spaces behind. So it's best practice to just use four spaces, and you can put that by just pressing that tab. So guys, indentation is very important in Python, and that's it for this part.